Today we're going to deal with a topic that is functional foremanship. This is the most important technique of scientific management given by F.W. Taylor, and we're going to study in depth with a suitable example. I've used more flowcharts and diagram in this PPT so that it will be convenient for you to write down or memorize the topic. So let's get started. Before that, let me give my introduction. This is Shalini Khatwani. I'm an MBA in the field of finance and marketing from Sri Shankaracharya Group of Institutions, Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Previously was working with the Kalinga University as an assistant professor in management commerce department location in Airport, Chhattisgarh, and currently preparing for UgCnet Management. So basically in the previous video we focused on the meaning of scientific management. Okay, we deal with the principles of scientific management. Now we're going to focus on the technique of scientific management. One by one we're going to continue with the video. In this video we're going to focus on the just functional foremanship. Okay, see, functional foremanship is based on the principle, I would say, of division of work. Okay, see, when F.W. Taylor entered Midville Steel Plant, there he analyzed there is a need for division of work. There he saw that there is no division of work, there is no specialization, there is no segregation of planning department or execution department. There he thought there is a need to change, so he thought there should be brought a change by implementing a technique that's functional foremanship. Functional foremanship is totally based on division of work. Okay, it is based on division of work, division of labor, or specialization. He said there is a need for dividing the work in a factory by planning department and production department. Planning department there will be 4 foremen, and in production department there will be 4 foremen, and 8 supervisors will be there to handle the workers. Okay, and these supervisors, for example, in planning there is route clerk, instruction card clerk, disciplinarian. They should be specialized, they should possess the qualification, knowledge, skills regarding the job they are going to perform in the factory. He focused a lot there the candidate, like in the previous video we focused that principle replacement of rule of thumb, that the candidate or employee or worker should be selected scientifically using scientific methods or techniques. Okay, so here also he said that the foremen should possess the knowledge, should possess the skills, experience regarding the job they're going to perform in the factory. Okay, so let's start with the meaning of functional foremanship. Functional foremanship is a factory management technique. This technique is used in the factory where planning department is segregated from production department. Okay, see, earlier what happened, he saw that one individual is handling the planning department also as well as production. He is framing the policies, vision, strategy, procedure, and he is also executing the work. He is handling workers, he is handling equipments, raw material, everything. So he said that there is the need for specialization. If there is no specialization, there will be high costs, high wastage, less production, and the efficiency of the outcome will be very low. So this technique is used in the factory management. Okay, that advocated for having multiple foremen in different specialized role to supervise the worker. Functional foremanship is the extension of the principal division of work. Okay, or specialization to the shop floor. Each worker has to take order from 8 foremen. I've told you 4 foremen will be there in the planning and 4 foremen will be there in the production department. Process of production, foremen should have intelligence. He said that the foremen, okay, who are going to allocate the work to the worker should possess the quality of intelligence, education, tact, judgment, special knowledge, etc. Now Taylor thought that one supervisor could not possess all the qualities required to lead the worker. It's not possible for one worker to possess the quality of, I would say, for example, he should be good at repairing, he should be good at maintaining discipline, he should be good at maintaining the cost, he should be good at maintaining the quality of outcome or product, he should be good at assembling the raw material or assembling the tools, equipments. So it's not easy for one individual to perform so many tasks, isn't it? So he said that there is a need for 8 foremen who will be specialized in the task specialize in their role, and they're going to supervise the worker so that the work will be taking smoothly. There will be less wastage, there will be less cost, and high production will be there, high profitability will be there, and effective and efficiency of the outcome will be high. Thus organization will be able to achieve their objectives. Taylor thought that one supervisor could not possess all the quality required to lead the worker. Hence, he suggested a technique under which one worker would be supervised by 8 specialized foremen. He separated planning, very important. He separated planning of work and execution of work. Okay. There are 8 foremen working under them as a supervisor, 4 of them responsible for planning, I've told you, the work, and the other 4 are responsible for execution of the work. See, this is the diagram of functional foremanship. Okay, functional foremanship is the form of organization which involves supervision of a worker by several specialist foremen. Workers are supervised by several specialist foremen. These are foremen: planning department, production department, and at the top there is a factory manager. Factory manager is at the topmost of the hierarchy of this structure, and he is responsible for handling or maintaining order or maintaining discipline, or is responsible for smooth execution of the work. He is responsible for, I would say, planning department also, as well as production department. So planning department, firstly let's focus on the planning department. Okay, see, in planning department we have instruction card clerk. Instruction card clerk, basically instruction card clerk is responsible for providing instruction, okay, where the work will be taking place, what will be the work, what will be the timing, what will be the procedure. Everything is mentioned in that instruction card clerk, and this instruction card clerk is given to gang boss, because gang boss is responsible for, I would say, he is responsible for all the assembling of equipments, tools, and giving to the worker. Okay, so instruction card clerk is responsible for shutdowning or writing all the instruction related to work. Route clerk is responsible for ensuring, I would say, ensuring a chronological order of activities that need to be taking place. He makes a step by step procedure from raw to finish. Okay, he analyzes what will be the path or what will be the route that will be in chronologically step by step need to be taken to convert the raw into finished good. Okay, time and cost clerk is responsible for analyzing how much time need to be taken to perform a task or convert the raw into finish. And cost clerk is responsible for maintaining or analyzing the cost. Okay, writing the cost in cost sheet, analyzing each and every cost, whether it's, I would say, work in progress cost, whether it's raw material cost, whether it's cost related to tools, equipments, etc. Disciplinarian, he is responsible for maintaining discipline in the factory, order. Okay, there should be no quarrels, conflicts, or disputes between the hierarchy of management. There should be smooth and harmonious working in the organization. Now, gang boss makes the arrangement of workers, machine, tools, etc. Okay, everything related to production is, I would say, the tools required for production, the raw material required for the production, the workers, machines, everything is handled by gang boss. Okay, speed boss concerned with maintaining the speed and to removing the delay of the production. He analyzes that their work should be taking place smoothly, speedily, and the workers should not sit idly. They should utilize the time properly. Okay, repair boss focuses or maintain the machines, tools, and equipments. If any repairing is to be taking place in the factory, he need to analyze and he should repair the machines. Otherwise what will happen? The production will hinder, and thus the outcome or output will be not taking place. Inspector is concerned with basically seeing the quality of outcome or quality of product. Defect should be not taking place. If any defect is there, or I would say default is there in the product is not quality conscious, then he needs to analyze the problem and he needs to find out the deviation and take corrective measures. So this is the structure, okay, in the functional foremanship, it's very easy. Planning is separated from production. Planning, we have four clerks, okay, or four clerks which are responsible for giving instruction, giving allocating the work to the worker. Instruction card clerk, then we have route clerk, time and cost clerk, disciplinarian. Then in production there is speed boss who analyzes the speed. Then we have gang boss, repair boss, inspector. This diagram is very simple, okay. See, functional foremanship is totally based on the principle of division of work, specialization, and the workers, all this, I would say, whether it's an instruction card clerk or time and cost clerk, route clerk, they have the knowledge regarding the field they are placed. They have the skills, okay, they have the experience. He focused a lot that the candidate or the employee that are placed in different foremen, okay, different designatory in different departments like planning or production, they should be having knowledge regarding the work they are going to perform. Okay, if they have a knowledge, they are going to perform it the best way. They are going to minimize the cost, maximize the efficiency, and contribute towards achieving the objective of business organization. Planning department is concerned with framing of policy. I've explained earlier also. Vision, mission, strategy, procedure, okay. We have studied this for route clerk, instruction card clerk, time and cost clerk, disciplinarian, okay. Production department is concerned with four: gang boss, speed boss, repair boss, inspector. They four are all responsible for smooth production of product that will be taking place in the factory. They handle all the things, all the instruments, tools, or I would say they analyze the speed, the repair, the machines, and they inspect the quality of outcome of product. So they are focused towards more production, towards production of product, okay.